Ni bola. Mambul chukani go wiki mnie na singa pakarawai. Wiki tunggo ya Amerika. Sa uchungo na... sapo nga ndoro miniti. Me ono. Lakaloko na yakabi. Ni singa moniti. Boleh singa pakarawai. Kani poso tiaw. Moni mara chungo wiki tau Amerika. Sa matei ni singa. Ni pula pula imbalolo live. Bitchkan sana post mempeleta na pula imbalolo live on ditakan ni marotaka lele busara rando bitar-tar cuma non ra sate kebu bakata puli lebih na luben right na pula bakabiti makau. Wabi ni minak talanga ber rando bala sere rando sate kebu bit cuma sana pas babiti na pula bakabiti na non ra gangani sere tapi di benaka ni cukup so era tali takkan bituk makabaya kau ni takkan ni rolinda wasen berana lubian ya ni kuat ono mameu bi kita ngayani mentuangan update membelatan na green card na diversity visa ni mataka na tola kaloka na kabi kero na bitano chikini kinao mithodau ngora lak chunga moira na wekante kwa sator non ra green card mermi talano arabi wasitwe bleto kondo no sala roni da wuli kerkina lele para marta ksara babi ni binak tu bali babi no kundaku mari ko posailangi chingomi Texas bulana kundaku na kabali bu bikin berbabi otini na nomrondo bibu ke bali bu bera na wekanda ngona bibu kesaranga ni soli tukutuku kena bakasala membaletan na durban membaletan ile mulaka boleh tu ben mona libo boleh sartu nga bakapapalain kay soto kana pa sa pertani sambo tarambito kay kung kina via babi binak kina bi nukundaku o marika waselang na non rondo bitoko ni taka babi utini na kenando bakan tata kaya ni baka raw wera na wekantay na beka membaletan na durban nuar sa green card ken karu be babi binak talanga bi tuliana dito bakayan kumaramalita klase ya mchungome San Francisco pabili bila katiku bikoe wako titik mukwe na link ni visa bulletin na visa bulletin go bikem ni na biokani chiko nga na website na www.uscis.gov ano tabuto tali www.uscis.gov yang na website kwe legal bida na maramara bitar-tar cuma biar na madam ko era toru cukup sona matanggali tuku membalata na visa ni durban ia siang ni kwe kandila kelakan santu bitang tak ciko na oira na skema se ker ni gangaron sarna sarna tu na buno beta kapkina live leka ko metang gangaroni ke kain do satu kuneni bako tumibia utulan ranan tola lawan Amerika bako tumibia to runan ranan lawan Amerika misa tartaran raw se kama tanga limanan tola si chinan tola kuwa ni bako tai belata ya sember ni adobe ni na ya ni ngono mona kay somentina kina na isaw ke bakaw santing tak mondo bira na kalungatan na ding tak na US diversity visa category iyo kosar nga yan na puno na numa maybe wasi kini weekend ni kuwa na kena wasi chuk nga ni tuku bimbi nag-imprich ka na link na website munindo yiro chuk na basic balato ko ni sa matenisi nga ni bulo November sa tiko na bulletin ni bulo November sambil dhaki sambil may na bulo tiko na January metok may na bulo October sa ko chikango yang ko sambil talinin ko na visa bulletin for November. Kosa sarap sa chungan ko na kaya tuku. The diversity immigrant category rank cutoffs which will apply in November. Yang go bir na sa apply which go na apply may na yang bagsawot So what happens in terms of the year? Ko apply na 2024 and nanti ko na applications for 2026. So you have to add 2 years plus 2. Yang go na apply na 2025 si berchungin dolang ko and I'm between another category for DV2027. Yeah, so you have to add 2 to it. Kaya kaya ko apply na sember $9, sember. No, not opened. Yeah, we can just so you know, the delay is sember. Iya, kerkeser nga. Ni wanted to kaya niya, usando bitch kayo na posta and anong page that it's still closed. Yeah? I hope you all understand. Bosti bina kala ko duro mo chungo na matin to Amerika, lebu chungo na delay. Bakatal nga kila bina kao kita wili ko chungo bina tukula ko chungo mingo that it's to do with $1 fee. Ko sa tukunin ko sa kipakantua me biyan na $1 fee. So there's some technical work that they're doing behind the scene. Awili ko bina bulletin for November. So for those of you asking about the form, no, it's still closed. Please, just understand. So give a may go in the history of the Day of Diversity Visa. Do matengan mother ni October sa $1, gay maten mother tali ni November sa song 1 month window. But right now there's a delay. Yeah, kasar nga nakau binakata mo may wasya nga weekend ni kuha, so still closed. We don't know when it'll be open. But I've been just telling people just to be patient and also just prepare yourself. Yeah, rather than worrying about when the form will be open, just to be ready with all the information you need. Mo tambarawa, get all your stuff ready, Boleh nak karorosa, boleh nak bui kasa. Satu tok na maku. Iya. Boleh nak karua. Iya, boleh nak tineti J. Don boleh nak na sama cukumai. Bubalang ger tambo. Iyo, sembera. So this live is just to awi me ngono mangko nga menda vital notu. Kau kaya bila kata mempete leo sargan inbox ala kumai sarwara ka cukup nonra formu sembaranga kala kita do kelati kuna na penatan kuna buan yang letam buna masa boswe masa tabak tente ker da masa tetiko temat ker da wawati ko Europe wawati ko Africa, ngobawili kuchukua ka Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, and South America and the Caribbean. Nakabali besar bikin na siya matikumay. Ngoso ng mango. Siya ka di pa ka na mango may bit, mango may bit sa kami nga. Yung kumbya ka na mango may kami Mexico, I think. Loriman. Mango may Brazil. Então bula may Brazil, babini mana kata na norto mango, nirto bala kata ngabi kito Amerika, na mango may bit sa nabi baya otoka, ya santa na kanya mana nga mango nga sa loritun, pati no sarir chiko sa ngul ni mango may bit, besar bicara cuma nitam sa bambu siya or sarna, nimbita nga may solatar ni via tarong ay rangon, yung bula binaka, bula robota, bula tinemate, ni bula binaka. Iya. Kwa nga ubia wase chukayani na tukutuku nakanga sa tukun may na bulletin ni sa 1,100 visa sa Solioti na Pasifika. 1,100 sa Solioti. Bula karorosa iya. And secretary ship takiani na hand deliver takiani. Iyo, nung tabal matunggoy. Bechi mango chiko. Me nakoya dora me mango, Iyo. Iyo, but for Fiji, nakawawili ko na website for the November bulletin, Oceania sa Solioti ndolon raw. Iya. Karobitana chuni ko kay Maramanita Tuliana. Warta pa ko tumokovia o that na oko ka KVT 2094. Yeah. So 2094. Kembali berto na sa apply my number sa ochi Na nonreto, if your number is below 2094, you still have the chance to get the letter for your interview. Yeah, oleh sa tsungango. Yes, bit tsukan binanong page. So yeah, keep your hopes up high. If the number comes to you, then please be happy. Iya. And don't go to Marika Maselangi. Kaya sa wala chuko na wawa for your letter for the interview, then you wait. Then you bosocha. Ibadala chuko na mangkongo. Then you reapply. Reapply. Kaya makasa na sibita na 2094. Iya. Nung tawalan ko, mati chuko na dumumangko. Gua nganto na mangko nga luri chuko. Ka tabala rosa lolong chuko nung tabala rosa.
Hey.
Buikasa adam chuko buikasa. Buikasa isa. Sa totoka na makumbumu le sa riribinak na muna. Iya.
Isa lolong mikro.
Iya. Kau cukup mikro libo limang kotali sa kami lori man kami sen. Ama mi na tabla man labo dur man misan ko. Ko ndana memo apa cicuel sarang na makko. Go live cukup bat kirna biyo kani. Go tabla man labo. Sim taring man bisir.
Oh.
Mango.
Number 1.
Ang kamida. Mango sengai. Ros tu kono labo na mango bena mus warai. Mango bena on roy.
Hey, mango de toros.
Uno benak kamida. Iyo, kosar nga yan na update nga ubi awasel bikim ni. O babili binak bi naitatulian bako tsumukuan na tukutuk membalata na visa. Kami naman. Dota tskulong ko naman. Iyo. Wala kami na barang cumay na kira-kira sarangan ng garo na scammers. But so, narabi tukutukmay sa rakamay doon na website yan sa tukun mo mabakot yan itol ng rarantol nila ng Amerika. Kira-kira kuha. Kaya ka sara sa chuk online go ndo email yan wiko mit kunya ni mo solemen na doon na sendeli ba baka samba karwa. Iyo. Sember chuk na isa bula pinakalita marida wanga. Bula pinakalabubalin na wanga pinakabali na siya machukumay. Ang bula pinakalinduki walls. Sember ni outmine na form iya. Bula pinakameda mirihawe pinakabali na siya machukumay. Iya, tapi chuk nangko biang unumango. Kari bisa cukai di sama unumango tukayan. Orang yang bukan mangko mena korek, dan itu mangko mena kandabu. Cukai mangko tambua, mangko loa, mangko dina, kami dan dina. Andina, iya, dina sarkarua. Saya nonton ngone, kakek boleh benalinga. Ngonong ko sa apply na nung pep sa online nga. Everything is online. So, just to summarize, biar lang guys siya mulchumay, there's still a delay. Of the forms. So there's no forms yet being given. Just everyone online is still closed. On the bulletin, so make sure you check the bulletin. The address of the bulletin o sa tukunin niya. The U.S. Department of State, tulu takabuti ko na kango. Department of State. Lebu tal chukan to acronym. Naitawakan dua. Mango ni lomay. Sana lokal patakan langkala. Kena sorena. Totoka. Dan aku wala permelita. Kung sabi chukumengo na iyo USCIS, USCIS. Nak wala Fiona dumbula nak marmelita. Mati kumuni na nomuni viwasi tu kumay na mango ni lomay tio ina ko tu kuno non tu marama do pa kumadalo ana basi maawa music tio ina totoka iya maram ni lomay maram do pa kumadalo iyo na website nga mo nino mo chiko na website, official website mo ni baka nga na US Citizen and Immigration Services. That's the official website. US Citizenship and Immigration Services. Na kana acronym kana pakantaw ya USCIS. USCIS. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services. Iya. Nga na website nga doon mo ni ka. Iya, di na sarang nga na karorosa, ngono ko marama karwango, tinema, buikasa, mamatal takach ko mo ka nang unarto, plata kinunarto green card, kakirkel sa walay all handwritten. Tormena no muni veni, at kina no muni veva, sangay walay nakait ko may mimbiyan. Iya ko, sa baka nga tek nga na mo na libo-libo. Kung ano kinobya, biba kung gaya nga bigyan mo ni, keep checking the USCIS bulletin. Sige, outside nga mingo na bulletin for November. Yan na una mungkin mo may update nga ni kina weekend sa sulioti berto na Pasifika and donon raw. Na visa sa confirm. Ya sa interview ya. But viti na nonay wakoka sabi na nakapalevo ni Tamarita. Iya, tapi mararamatik nga batin to ya. Ang bagsahod sabi doon review may. Tukuno ko yung sa nga mo baka lalay video. Bang ko bitin skin ron nilala. Bitin na chuk nga. Chuk nga bikin na ding-dingi. Korabela kami bang ko ibalangi. O chuk nga dalis talan. Ko karo mo na nga ako. Sa karo bilis na chuk ko na kor. So Fiji will always be there. Yeah. Kaya makawabiyang wala may banggoy balangi, da may bili-bili niyo, da may taniyo, da didi niyo, da singani niyo, may, lingkay may, libang ko na niyo. Iyo. But Fiji will always be home. Kaya may chiko weekend na taray. Ira mo na nga nawekanda na India, kwarando undo stabirike, ira do tukulo to nga. Bayni, are, no place like home, re? Right? See? So, era baka balileo tike, era baka motoka, era sisina ng bangka na ilabo, but in their heart, Fiji will always be there. Yang nga nakawin katumo siya, usya nga niyo, nakabot ko ng program to get people away from Fiji. No, Fiji is always home. Go on a sharing of information. May dabi was itakain, kuira, din, meron ako malay. Elipo na nga ko reply ko Australia. So reply ko American Samoa. So reply ko Vanuatu. So sar mi Ngiland ko reply ko Iyo. So sa chuk America reply talo na green card. So you can be anywhere in the world. And the opportunity to go overseas is always there. But it's your choice. It's your choice. Nakabalevo Mbua Achong, thank you for putting it on the page. Yeah, that's the official website, uscis.gov. That's the only website that you can get information about the green card. If there's anybody else that is trying to ask you for 50 US or 100 US or 300 US now, that means that they are a scammer. Sabi tartarmay, and I told them, no, don't send any money. Because right now, the only fee that is coming up for 2027 diversity visa is $1. That's $1 US, which is about $2.40, depending on the rates, $2.40 Fijian. So talar-tarar kumain paleta na visa card. I mean, you don't have any visa card. You can ask someone that has a card to pay it for you. So lang abira, $2 Rona Sangamoli, Isuliangabira, Erangero Nisoma on your behalf. But right now it's still not active. Yeah, Bula Mrs. Dodao, Naomi, Vikim Nila Sevu Chukumai, Naomi will be joining me tomorrow. Yeah, ni Mataka. 3 p.m. Fiji time. 3 p.m. Fiji time, which is 5 p.m. Californian time. Pulivinaka leo ni au iya ni pulivinaka na kasi ni pulimiri hawea iya ubinakatunga mo biwasi ngayani da vimbulong mo dengan itukutukwe sharing of information. I think it's really important, but also sharing of the right information. Vambulu chungo birono makumbungu sai va siam sar chungo mi nauru pulivinaka sai pulivinaka lubengu mada kayanga kasi ni pulimada. I think you're a teacher, mother? Let me know if you're a teacher. Gona no nataki robita beleni na korto toko solondamu na tiki no tabu ki mikandamu. Bulu chikani bikim dona wekango mikandamu. Bulu chikani tongkel mikandamu ke makatola ko mibalani davi buke ni banua me te chiko bali na suli, te chiko bali na yangona. Dilasar beyond the reef. So somebody or everybody must have got a card somewhere. But if you don't have a card to pay $1, nanu mga ya torang eruna sanga mole solewa o kwa nga iso mo kwa na the $1 US for on your behalf. Nathanieli, iyo $1. Yeah. So a lot of people have been asking. I'll speak in English now because there's a lot of non-Fijians watching my page as well. I had a lot of Samoans, Tongans joining the program. So this is a information sharing session. Just to let people know about the US CIS visa. It's open officially, but I mean, what I'm saying, it's still in existence for people to apply, but the date for the form is not yet open. Yes, $1. Don't believe in may Australia. Lem sa chuma Australia apply chuma America. Awango ya wai. Nila mo ni osi, la mosi. Kima mela kanya ni osi. Yeah, vinaka valeu. Taufa na ingama. Yeah, if you don't have your passport for registration, don't worry about it. You don't need you don't need passport for you to apply. Kermeleni. Te iba ka levo ng talo, te iba ka levo na suli. Te iba ka levo na erto bimbi mete. Because by the time this visa comes in, it's going to require a lot of funds, a lot of money. Just keep that in mind. Because then it's okay. O wasetu kanina nungu page. Na bida na mata saochi. Do leo weekend, do chuko weekend na uoni baka bondo. I'm sure you all agree. Sa apply o tavalengo, sa apply o tuakago, sa apply o telingo. Sa apply ka din. But sa ding takin na mo, sa ding takin na mo ila, mo tuba raw chuko baka ilabo. So right now, maro baka lebo na sende. Maro baka lebo na sende. Nakarana kemitamba. You don't need a passport to apply, but when your name is selected, you must have your passport. So, my suggestion, if you don't have a passport now, keri, apply for your passport right now. $1 lika, nandamana, $1. I'm just using this session to provide some latest information, especially the November bulletin. So, wasechu kumebia umaramanita tuliana. Siguro sila ngo doon kumata ng mango, so mango chico. So while I was cutting my mango, I was thinking of my brothers and sisters in Fiji, and I thought, maybe I should share some information about the green card. Binakabali mo karua rosa, karua kaya makalala malakman may UC2 ng program. Go ira na sa apply without the online forms. So it's interesting to see that sabi so nango sa online care. Even your photo bikim ni na siya machukumay is vinaka Kilian Buli nakabalebu. For those of you who are applying now, you need to have your digital photo. Okay? Edana ba kanta biya digital photo. Pula luke tupo lahi CE wala vinaa. Iyo, malo. Isa, di na salah. Iyo. So just remember, when the time is right for you to go and take your photo, make sure you tell the people at the photo studio it's $10 to take your photo. It's a US visa, passport size photo. Orto visa size is different from New Zealand, different from Australia, different from UK and Europe and everybody else. American don't tend to. So make sure you tell them to give you the right photo, and it's gonna be online. It's gonna be digital. Yeah, the photo will be digital. Yeah. Yes, thank you everybody. Rise beyond the reef. Beyond the reef. Iyo sambic kaningori na form link. The link sambiu ngori bikim na sar chikumai. Iya. All right. Iyo Joseph Ondololang, that's a very good question. The expenses is quite large. Gomanda kana form kichung donom ni pen donom ni paper na visa form for you to be accepted in gobolichingo. Now, no immigrant visa fee is $330 USD. Yeah, $330 USD immigrant visa fee. That's just one fee. Multiply by 2, that's like 660 Fijian. So it's quite a lot of money. Yamatanga se donga na fee. We came na lewu chikana lube muni. Yeah, sa lako na 330 multiplied by how many children you have. Kaya vinakatakina na biwa singo vikenda ni tuki wako si vikenda ni tuki ndando tapinata ko kachukindu yana uone baka bondo ndando ngungu tu baka leo nagauna sale tukurmikini bika no mufinda sanga bos kundu. But right now you need to plan and plan well. Kila iyo mother kayana $330 US the immigrant visa for one person. Yeah, that's for one person. US 330. So multiply that to your husband and to, if you have 5 children, let's multiply by 5 talangaf with the children too. Yeah? You have to be really ready. If this time is not for you, if you're not ready financially, then don't apply. Yeah? Don't apply. Quando você vai vitia, vaca raw ni se singa toka. Don't be mir, So mir sarai. So yamatanga $330 US for one. And then you multiply that by rosta sanga iso mina feed. Now just to apply is $1, but then the cost for you to go in yamatanga dona fingo ko ready chungo bina bulletin of November. The immigrant visa fee paid only to those who are selected and proceeded with the process. Beyond the reef, so sangachi na medical fee, sangachi na police clearance. Sangachi tal na fee mo so manyole interview. So when you go to the US embassy, mole interview, you have to pay first at a counter, then you go and sit down and wait for your name to be called for you to go to the counter. Yamadanga, dotan nila waya. See? Nigasap man ni mataka. Sema ni mataka na tola kaloko na kabi ni barongo da nabital no ke Naomi Rovau, and then sa kro interview ki neta Tuliana, there bakaya barong tat sika mengo ko ya binakabali neta mati ke Max Marika Boselani. See? So I've been having all these interviews online. So I'll share some of these videos on my page so that you can watch it. If some of your relatives are not on Facebook or social media, you can tell them that I have my YouTube channel where I have all the, the information there. We have 10 steps. 10 steps. And nanong interview bat kerto na ngun inibit sa chukerkina na kamu ni babarokin. So you don't need to start afresh. Kemudian kalau nggak tunggu, disagay wasay di bangun itu tuk, iliu, tu buto sabtu nga, tas yang tun kila. Oh, okay, iya. Good question, mother. Balet na taring may na mo marital status. No marital status and taring may. So if you're married, then you have to include the name of your husband and children. Okay? So that's the information. Monambuta. And you have to be upfront. You have to be truthful to the information you give. Belata matay you can siluen to kuna oya nganeleo too, but when you married. Belati ni saltos chuka na fil tek ni formu and ona lebar tak ngamen no marriage certificate. Kona ngoni kutukuntukina vinaka pale bu mesa titonga iyo dina sar so nitukutuk bango yang bida bi wasitaka iyo. So coming back to my niece's question or mother, that's the choice you make for you just to go by yourself and not your husband and your children, but that's something that we don't encourage to do mundo tu we waki tu kala sandare tu mundo na kasar chungo bena neck and we bono meron du tu it's not a good thing. Kambimbi mo nilakumay ba mata mo ba? Lakumota o na kirto langoni. So the key there is for you to be prepared financially. So you need to have a bank account and have everything in there and you lock it. And you lock it. Matay na Sole Fintech. They've been encouraging Fijians mindon on the bank account. Men dan bitikin na nanomo nila kumay bangoy me musti ko na kem ni saw na bimagaw me lokataki ko tali tatara ni loma bisa to ni loma tini na $1 20,000 you keep as much money in there and you don't touch it because there's a lot of money that is needed. Go sa tukutukumin ko Beyond the Reef. Thank you for sharing Beyond the Reef. Go medical man nga 870 each, 870 Fijian. With Dr. John Fatiaki. Police clearance, $62. Green card fees, 500 Fijian. Yeah. There? Nabi matangali fee. Sangay chuk matanga ko na medical matanga biketo ba bitamani. I think we paid about $450 each, $450 US. Kituletul. Kituletul, Somirawa, lore balimbula lore na matiketo na ndona kaya takabana ndona bunuya tormento na kau lilay. Oh, okay. Iyo don binaka undite. So if you're a widow kasama te na watimuni, make sure to have the death certificate. Iyo, but one thing I noticed, the legal documents are very important. So make sure you have your look after your marriage certificate. Yeah, make sure it's in a folder and it's safe and sound. So right now, while we wait for the form to be activated, check taka. Do you have your marriage certificate? For all your children, do they have your birth certificate? Zek Monelevo, it's about $10,000 Fijian. Between $5,000 to $10,000 because it's quite a lot of money involved. I'm not for one person. So, biketo, niro leruang alangon, niro raw, pek nga nakato, tasa wado bil sombo. Kaya bikim nina lebo chuko ni sol, it's a blessing, but it also comes with responsibility. So you have to include the mother. So every cost that you see on the US bulletin, you have to multiply that by the number of people you're going to include. So coming back to the documents, chuko marriage certificate if you're married. Chuko matangana no birth certificate, don't forget that. Make sure you have your divorce documents, divorce papers. Make sure you have the death certificate there as well. And make sure you tick the right category. The widow, or you are divorced or separated or married or single. Yeah, make sure it's included. Dotal nga na kaya ubi wasayani. Labor message kumingo bia ratu kuno chukunira defecto. Yeah, defecto. Defecto ya wiran tiko pata ba beauty ni but they don't there's erasenga nira bakamawe. Dolo tao peli. Isa, dalo bina na kuweka, binaka bali, binanduri kina mabarong tumay. Chilchunga kana so mango, au so mi mango chiko tau, au sana no mamiu, viwa se tuyan na bukuni visa. Iyo. May wanga tambo si somo chiko, si Bernindola. Iyo. Yan ang gayingon ng dola kina, kaya nga may namatay ni maramo ni nakilala sa ng dola. Iya, sana pa ko ni bigyan mo ni na link. Mo ni apply. But remember, so ko bigyan mo ni 1 month. 1 month to be prepared. 1 month. So I think it's really important. May chukir ka na naman ni documents. Zakarato naman ni passport. Doon sa nga ceremony. Yes. You don't need it for the registration, like that's going to be open soon. You don't need, when you register, you don't need your passport. Only when you are accepted. And it's actually maybe you can know confirmation number. That's when you need your passport to do all the things that they want you to do with your DV 260 form. Gayron yo bitikin na mo ni tukutuko. So when you register, you don't need the passport when you accept it. Di na sarangan beyond the reef, dolo to dok. Thank you for sharing the data. Binakabali mo talang, bulat siya ni patiwali. Bulat talaga na ita. So many wonderful people joining the live today. But just want to share the love with everybody. I was sharing to those who were joining me before. Ni elaboratar chuma, Dr. T, sabi na katamin sa tambimbil ka debiti. No. This is an information sharing program. This is only for sharing the info. But in the weekend, nagtukin, isang tuwing kila nakango. We don't know. And dos halak America, but you really don't know that that these options of visas are there. Chikorto na PV may Australia, chikor na visa may New Zealand, chikor talaga rito na chikor may Finland, rito na chikor may Europe. There's so many visas out there. But kaya na ito, baka nandawele ito. So I do this program to share the information with everybody. Nandua si Rua, warong tukumingo, and yang ang bekabira na kawasechko. Okay, let me go back to the defecto. Na lebo sa nga tormay, Dr. T, yaw chukungo bat kindo na turanga, karo siyang tunibamaw. Bulang-bula wal sa induki, nabibe chiko lima ng dol, siya na ng dol, beso lebo tok. So you really have to, but in the fee to Kunimingo, it's all in US. So you have to multiply by 2 for Fiji. Kung manangango doon na immigrant visa fee, nangono din gomikina is 330 USD. So multiply by 2, that's 660. Ang mananga si doon mananga na fee. Lebo sara na fee, chiko. So I just thought we share this information openly. So that everybody's in the loop. But the key is you have to be prepared. Okay, let me go back to the defecto. Lew sarang nga ratuktukumay. Sa Dr. Tio, yaw chuk ngawat kendo na turang karosang tunibamaw. Si do na turang. Sa Dr. Tio, chuk ngawat kendo na marama karosang niba kamaw tu. But we're living together. Mo tu kung bigyan mo ni, na defecto waray chuk ni zingom. So, kinbal-bal, na defecto, kinbal chukawatanga. Rosing legally married. Balata ni saranding take no category, whether you are single, ako single sarang. Kaya ako sa gaitong kiniberto na defecto tiko, when you apply for your visa, you'll have to tick the single. Balata ni kimrosing ba mautu kikuan naturang sa maramaya. Turaw. Balata, if you choose married, and the next stage in the mobile na form, you have to show your legal papers. Then you have to show your marriage certificate. Kaya kan sa vimbiu, then you have to show your divorce papers. Kaya sa lengang beka na turang si maramoti mo ni, then you have to show your spouse's death certificate. So those are just some information that I thought I wanted to share, which I think is very important. We can okay metado bakabakarao. Yeah, bakabakarao financially, bakabakarao with all our documents. Also na itamba, make sure that you have your proper photo. Matamba kina may wali bitamba. Some people are asking whether you could tamba may vale, but na kambimbi they're very strict. Me na ndakumu me clear. Kundi lito may murdo na tawelo, si do na sote, si do na torsis malabu. It has to be clear. Yo nandakumu erto very strict talaga erto na tamba ni Durban America na size. Yeah, the size of the photo. Let me check if I share the na size ni tamba wa muna to kunin bikim ni. Ang tomorrow ito na information go. Okay, yeah. Bikim ni natarong chukma na size ni tamba Yes, 260. Go. Tamba. So sorry, bitamba ibale. So tamba sa through, but you have to be make sure make clear na wano ko tamba kina me kuni ko kachuka me kuni chona katu inda kum. Electronic. Sember ninda la lavineleweni. The form is not yet activated. Okay, go. So everything is done online. Niyo rosa, white background. Dinasara. DV instruction. Okay. Tukun search kami ko ng bimbi ni na gangkaro ni bena scam. So please be Sembera Francis Mbongi, please just tell whoever is listening Sember ni on form kerkere. The form is and keep checking my page. Bikim ni nataro chukmay. Bakareli ka ni tuktukon na mo sen. Go photo requirement. Okay, photos. Bikim ni nataro chukmay. Iyo, dilo sa kadi sentiment. Okay, Geneve kerto na chukuna wena bonongor ko chukuna Waimanu Road. Kay Cumming Street koto na kona. They already know. You just tell them. Go na nonto na Kanibiza, they already know. Yeah, that's a good point beyond the reef. That's a big good point. I'll come back to you. Let me go back to the photo. Sa chiko na size ni tamba. So that should not be a worry. Na tamba, nonto na tamba na to bitamba. So I suggest you go to the photo shop. I mean, na tamba ni napal bitamba. 22 millimeters and 35 millimeters. So 22 and 35. Sila kena baka hindi 1 inch and 1/3/8 inches. So lebo talk na information there, but if I were you, just go to the photo place and just tell them I need a USB photo. They should know. The dono merto. Iya dalakango Ento dona maramato le tamba talaga gaidalan na norto na itamba imbiuyan. It was a bit dark. Singlori binaka na matana gai recheck na pepa. So that's a very important point I want to share about the photo. Go. If you want to take photos at home, can render na mula koi balni bitamba. Go use our photo tool to crop your photo so it's the right size. Go. This photo tool does not check the quality of your image. This tool is for cropping your photo only when you're applying or renewing using a paper form. Do not use this tool if you're renewing online. Right? they are very, very strict. Yeah, boleh cunggo na kemitam has to be 6 months or less, and kemitam has to be recent. Taken in front of a plain white or off-white background, taken in full face view, directly facing the camera, and with a neutral facial expression and both eyes open. Siguro nyo rendre, siguro nyo baka matindua or anything like that. Sembera li simbati, sembera nindola. Yeah? Please let everybody know, sembera nindola na form. So, nasa kaya boleh cunggo, do not wear any hat or head covering that obscure the hair or hairline, unless you wear it for daily religious purposes. Gombe ka beira na lutu musulmani korento taka na ulunra, na stoli nga beira na ndondol mera umbia na matan, Yeah. Iyo mother, iyo. My answer is yes. Or rest beyond the reef. Sa gitu ko nga minggo, ka ichukda na mukisi, na bali ni Bilawai, sa Everton na ubisa, and beyond retok. Because your name is already in there. I don't know how the system works as far as being cleared by the law. Maybe now, Ranyola ko liredirto na tambanyo visa while you're waiting for the form to be open. Tapatan back. Iyo, matataro kendo no mo toka ni lawyer, they can advise you. Dora ka mo takava, kaya pakachukong baka no mo kisi, na matibelaway. That's a really good point. Iyo. So mother, if I were you, I suggest go to someone with a legal background. So tarberto na tambanyo visa na daban na non rato baka tutu membaleta na kay chukong na kisi. Berto na visa na matibelaway. Kaya karua chukong bulan-bulan na medical. Yeah, you really have to be healthy. Belate lebo na wekanda, may nanong uredo yaw bakatekiyaw na nito takapot na nito bisa matang New Zealand. Lilib kato kuchirea ni balang, lebo na bisa decline balte nirtug mati. Yeah, so try and look after yourself. Ngunuya baka lebo tereni. Musuh kali na yang gona, sinang goni papalang. Kita kena sakila, the ready kena babinaka ni sembara ni yo apply mine. Oh yeah, the tamba is for the whole family, yeah. But matay mana nga tamba mana nga iliw ko apply the main applicant. Nangun sagay through making na pepa na bulomya na bagtaraba, sanang kay include kinoir na kanabo. Those who are under 21, children they have to be under 21. The children who are above 31, they cannot be included in the application. They can apply by themselves if they pass their Form 6. Yeah? Okay? So I hope that's clear. Wabidi mo nakabikim ni na siya mamay. Yang ang dongan ng update. Leka Sara. Wabidi mo nakabikim ni na biyokani. Nakapali mo na numuni. Wasech ko nitukutukas so numbicho ka na nung page. Keep sharing the information that the form is not yet been activated. And secondly, if anybody asks you for any money, please don't give it. Don't send it. Kaya binakata may runan raw na labon ni Meriko tol na raw. That's a scam. Yeah, so please be careful. Kaya siya nga niyo matitang na ka, tarumay. Tarumay biyaw, tarumay bi mari ka masela. Libo to tarumay biyaw, singkila, aw sa ganito tarwaboki, then we try and answer the question. So, bi neta tuliana bat kinong kundaku o mari ka masela ni mataka na tango chumikina o Naomi daw. Iyo, di na sara laisa lutu, iyo mo ba karote kikubinaka, make sure that you are ready, mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially. Yeah, bikada na bakawati, baka nakatarong chumayaw na lubeng kumada, you know, silip sa nakatarong yaw na pagsahod. Siya niya plan o yan, makunibyorto ng wani kinituta. That's a big decision that I cannot make for you. You have to decide. However, when it comes to marital status, you're going to assume you're lost and you're single, right? Right? You're going to you can married. So when you're married, then you have to include your husbands and then your children as well. Okay. Iya, sekobe roko tu tinggal naik tambah iyo. Naik tambah, you can go to a photo studio and just tell them that it's a US visa photo that is needed. And also if you online, sa chuko na website na size ni tambah. Dona indi 1 inch size that the head is between 1 inch and 1/3/8 inches. Baka millimeters, 22 millimeters and 35 millimeters. Yeah. Tiga wiki me lakadake, kena kambimbi me clear nanta kum, kundona kai tinta kum wako sostue. But that's why I'm saying just go to the photo studio, they'll do it much better. Yeah? Okay, sa ko ngaya salolom ten vali wikem ni kede ni kalau ngatatiko salolom membisar tuyani kita tan nataro ni inbox ngamay. Naka mode